Hi, this is Joe with WP Law Incorporated. We're going to talk about the proper way to calibrate a sprayer. Now, when I talk about calibrating sprayers, a lot of people think that I'm going to be twiddling a knob or something or making a physical adjustment. In reality, all I want to do is find out how much water a sprayer applies so that we can put out the proper amount of pesticide. We don't want to put out too little or too much to get the job done. To calibrate a sprayer, whether we use a little handheld sprayer like this, or we use a backpack, 4-gallon backpack sprayer like this, the procedure is the same. The first thing we'll do is we'll mark out an area that's about 1,000 square feet. So an area that's 50 by 20 will do. And you fill the sprayer up with a gallon of water. You hold the sprayer, and there's a proper way to do this. A lot of people will take a sprayer and they'll wave it back and forth across the area, which is incorrect, because at a low point, it's like a golf swing. At a low point, you're going to be applying too much. At the high point, you'll be applying too little. Also, there's a problem with double or triple dosing the area as you walk. What we want to do is we want to walk with the sprayer held at the proper height for the nozzle, and you want to walk straight in a serpentine fashion. So you want to come to the end of the pattern, turn the corner, and then walk straight again, holding the sprayer level. And then when you're finished doing the pattern, simply check to see how much water you have left in the sprayer. So if you indeed use a gallon of water, you follow the manufacturer's instructions on how much pesticide to use. If you use only half a gallon of water, then you have two choices. You can either spray the area again to get the proper amount of pesticide out, or you just double the dosage to begin with to get the product out at the right rate. So for more information on how to calibrate sprayers, contact us or visit us at wplawing.com.